Hey, what's up YouTube? It is 2018, November. It's almost Thanksgiving. And boy, am I thankful to be here with you all. With Thanksgiving just around the corner, I've got a couple of things that I wanted to share with you, including my list of top 3 things that I'm thankful for this year. Cool, all right, number 1, notices about what's going on with us. I haven't been on video in a while and I'm excited to be back. I'm writing some new songs. I got a collaboration, I think, cooked up for the holiday season. New videos, and taking your requests, trying to find out what you guys have going on. What else? I've got a new job. It's not that new, I've been there a year, but I haven't told you all about it, so I wanted to tell you about it today. I work with an organization called Fuel Ed. It's a nonprofit that helps educators with social emotional training. A lot of educators learn how to do pedagogy, to teach math, to teach English. You guys know, your teachers know how to teach you stuff, and you teachers know you how to teach stuff. But what we're not taught as teachers, and me being a former bilingual kindergarten teacher, is like, how do you create relationships? How do you develop relationships with kids and with your colleagues? How do you be vulnerable? How can you take feedback? How can you provide feedback? How do you express yourself in a way that is honest? Man, that stuff's hard. And that's what we do at my job, where I work with an amazing group of people, and we have a lot of fun doing it. So it's been a really rewarding experience, and I thought you would like to know. The web URL is fueledschools.org, and you should definitely check it out. What else do I have to tell you? Gear, yes, we have some. I've got some shirts and some hats. I'm trying to get them for sale up on the website as fast as I can, but if you're like panicking, like you want to get it before the holidays, send me an email at heybasho@bashoandfriends.com, and I'll figure it out. What else? I'm also working on new content and also packaging up the content for teachers. So I know all of you educators, a lot of you have been saying, hey Basho, this is such a cool video, but there's a mistake on YouTube, or this is set incorrectly, or this doesn't work. Yeah, I get it. Some of those I rushed. I'm sort of doing a lot of this stuff by myself, especially the content production, so I make mistakes. The good news is I've gone back and corrected all those mistakes into new songs and new videos that don't have any mistakes. And a lot of those are up on YouTube, but a lot of them aren't. The other good news is I'm gonna make them available for sale on my website, along with some lyrics and curriculum and instrumental songs and stuff like that. So if that's something that you're interested in, yeah, hit me up at heybasho@bashoandfriends.com and let me know so that I know that this is something I should really focus on doing. The idea is that if I can sell some content that is of value to you educators, you teachers, you students, you kids, parents, you're happy to buy it, you're happy to get it, I'm happy to sell it, make some money so that I can continue doing this, and then we can have like albums in Chinese and Arabic and French, and I could do preschool stuff and kindergarten stuff. We could teach just about anything through a song and make a fun video for it. I mean, that would be sick, right? Like, just making content, all the content that you could ever want and that we could ever want to make, actually having the resources to make that happen and have it be a self-sustaining business, and then we're doing a thing and everyone's happy and like learning new languages and connecting with new people, and yeah, sounds pretty good, right? I still have another full-time job. I'm doing another thing on the side, helping other YouTube channels get ahead. But yeah, it's a long game, y'all. It's a long game, and I'm in it with you all to make it happen. Finally, without further ado, I'm gonna do my top 3 things that I'm thankful for this year, 2018. Are you ready? Number 1, I am thankful for you all. I'm thankful for the fact that you all are on YouTube, out there checking out stuff, making your comments, sharing your videos, sharing your content, learning new languages, being engaged in the world. I think that's a really important thing. And even though it's online, it's a connection, and I feel that connection with you all, and I'm grateful for it. And I encourage you to continue building those connections with people, both online but in real life as well, because that's kind of the only thing we've got is the personal connections, our relationships. That's really what's gonna keep us going in the world. Thankful number 2, freedom. It might sound a little weird, but like, I have the freedom to make videos, I have the freedom to switch jobs. I'm super fortunate to have a great family, to have grown up in a beautiful place like Boulder, Colorado, to have gotten a great education, to have been treated well, and I am really lucky. And so I have the freedom to make a lot of choices in life that include pursuing my dreams. And I think that's what I wish for all of you, that you can get to a place in your life where you can pursue your dreams and really let your heart sing, because that's what's cool about living. That's a really fortunate place to be, and I'm grateful for that. And thing number one that I'm the most grateful for in this 2018 is the health of my family, of my friends, and myself. It's precious, y'all. Like life, I'm in it for the long game. I feel like I have a long life ahead of me, but it is precious and it feels like it could slip away at any moment. Anything can happen, and so it's important to take advantage of what you got when you got it. And I got it, man. I got a sweet family and great friends and a really awesome life, and I'm so thankful that when I wake up in the morning, my fingers work and my toes work and I'm ready to get it. So I'm not taking it for granted, and I hope you don't either. So tomorrow when you get up, if your fingers and toes and your legs and your eyes and your brains are working, even if your head feels a little bit foggy, make an effort, go out there, help somebody, give someone a hug, share your thanks and your love, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving and holiday season. I love y'all. Thanks so much. Take care. Peace.